In his video, you will learn how to create a custom web component using AI and how to insert it into your Bravo Studio project. The first thing you will need, it's a Figma file with a web view tag. Later on, once we have created our web component, we will create a unique link, which we will insert into our WebView Bravo tag. Now, let's bring our project to Bravo Studio by copying the URL link of our Figma file. We create a new project and we import our Figma file. Now that we have our app screen with our web view ready, we can create our web component. In our documentation, we present you the example of a boxing timer, which we will ask GPT create the code for us. You can copy the same prompt or create your very own. We send the prompt and GPT straight away starts coding our HTML web component. We will let GPT finish the code, but we have it ready in our documentation, which we can copy it. Back in Bravo Studio, you will find our new feature, Components, only available for solo users. We will create a new web component where you will find an initial sample code that you can select and delete and paste our GPT-generated HTML code. We click Save, and you will be able to visualize and interact with your web component in our web previewer. Copy the link of the newly generated component and go back to your Figma file in order to replace the URL text with the actual link that is unique to your web component. We go back to Bravo Studio, and we will sync the changes that we have made in our Figma file. Update Bravo Vision, and we will be able to start testing our web component.